Friends, coming to next part of discussion is marginal standing facility. What is marginal standing facility of RBI? This is a new liquidity adjustment facility created by RBI in 2011. It is what? This particular instrument is created by RBI in 2011. It is a window for banks to borrow from RBI in an emergency situation when interbank liquidity dries up completely. What is it? Marginal standing facility. It is a instrument through which banks can borrow from each other. When it's a window of banks to borrow from RBI, means the banks can borrow from RBI when there is interbank. Whenever there is a very lack or totally less borrowing from each other, then RBI provides money to the bank. Emergency situation. MSF rate is packed 100 basis points or a percentage point above repo rate. The MSF facility will be always 100 basis point above the repo rate. Then under this facility, banks can borrow funds up to 1% of their net demand and time liability. What is this? Banks can borrow funds up to 1 percentage points of their net demand and time liabilities. Whatever there will be net demand and time liabilities, bank can borrow 1% points of that particular thing. Then moral suasion. What is moral suasion of RBI? It refers to a method adopted by central bank to persuade or convince the commercial banks to advance credit in economic interest of the country. In the process, the central bank requests or persuade the commercial banks to lend or credit to other banks or institutions in compliance with general monetary policy. It is a policy through which credit in economic interest of the country, means banks to give credit to the commercial activities of the country. This process, central bank requests the persuade commercial bank to lend and credit to other banks. Means RBI requests the bank to credit other banks or institution in compliance with general monetary policy. This is the thing. Then priority sector lending. What is priority sector lending? Sorry. RBI mandates a lending by banks to provide loan to agriculture, micro, small, medium enterprises, export credit, education, housing, social infrastructure and renewable energy and others. Whenever there is a credit flow to these particular sectors like agriculture, like micro, small, medium enterprise, like export credit, like education, children education, then housing or social infrastructure, renewable energy and others, it is called priority sector lending by RBI. Financial inclusion. There is a terminology which is being repeatedly used by economists. Financial inclusion. You are supposed to be knowing what is the meaning of it. To provide banking products and services to the masses, especially poor and technology enabled at affordable prices. Whenever banks will make provide banking product or services to the people who are have not received any kind of a product or service, that is financial inclusion. Especially poor or technology enabled person at affordable price, that is financial inclusion. What is payment bank? Payment bank is very important. A differentiated bank that will undertake only certain restricted banking functions that Banking Regulation Act 1949 allows. It's a differentiated bank that will undertake only certain restricted banking operations. What are the banking means restricted banking operation? It includes acceptance of deposit. A payment bank will accept the deposit. Then payments and remittance and services. They will also provide payment and remittance services. Then internet banking and function as business correspondence of other banks. they can provide internet banking and function and other correspondence service to other bank. This was all about the RBI. So with this we will end this particular part, and next week we will discuss more about various other aspects of economy. Thank you very much.